We're going to Chef Tara's cooking class, and you're gonna be her sous chef. Because Ruby has been so excited about becoming a chef. Are you so excited?
I'm so excited to be her sous chef.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun. And we've got 11 recipients here, gonna be there taking the class with us. Are you pumped?
I am.
You just cooked this amazing dinner as sous chef with Chef Tara.
I feel amazing.
Yeah?
Also, I got born.
Yeah. What makes you want to be a chef?
I want to be a chef because I'd be a great cook. I'd be great making soup and girls, pizza, queso, and all the things I like and I don't like.
Queso is your favorite.
What do you want to do, like when you grow up?
I want to be a chef.
Oh, wow. Obsessed with queso. Girl.
Queso.
I mean, you are after my heart.
What made you want to be a chef?
I do like cooking. I love cooking with my family. I love cooking with my sister.
She is an amazing big sister, isn't she?
Yeah.
I'm the luckiest mama in the world. I've got 2 incredible daughters.
Teenagers.
Teenagers, yes.
One thing I love about cooking is what cooking should be, because it's not a job. It was music, everybody was having fun. It was more like a ritual.
Probably the greatest lesson that I've learned is that Ruby is her own unique person, and there's really nothing that I want to do or change about her, but even if I did, she has got her mind set as to the person that she wants to be and who she is becoming, and I'm just along for the ride.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too.